Yeah. A quick little update on Zoe because there's been so much happening. So here we've got our brick tiles getting laid at the moment. And I'll quickly show you the in-ground in-ground uplight that I've been talking about all the way back before the slab was poured. So these holes that you can see here, we've got a line of them, a row of them, and these sleeves that are already set in. This will just light up the feature brick walls, which is all covered and protected at the moment. And then come upstairs. I'll show you the colour of this. This is a beautiful chocolate brown from Custom Timber. The name is called Liqueur, I think. And then come up here and we've got our media room. This wallpaper that I am just obsessed with from Arte. And we have painted the ceiling and the rest of the wall in colour bond jasper, which I'm obsessed with. That's also the same colour as all the window and door framing. Mm-hmm. And here in the main bedroom, I have got my wall of cabinetry, which I am also slightly obsessed about. This will just give us that hotel suite vibe. So I'll have coffee machine. I'll have coffee machine on top of this cabinet here. I've got some custom-made rails that'll allow me to hang my clothes while I steam. The mirror for height mirror here, and artwork, and a pendant light. And then we've got joinery in. So this is the vanity, the floating vanity, and then this is our walk-in room with the makeup table, with also once again with our sewing and a glass display shelf.